I've got 5 implants, and then the whole bridge is screwed onto all those 5 implants.
So it's a whole
a whole lot.
set of teeth.
A whole lot. I'll go out now. It doesn't bother me to go out. Go out with my friends a lot more now.
And contrast that with life with the denture.
No, I wouldn't go out.
Just describe what that was like for you.
The thought of taking it out, gluing it in. Then when I got home,
had to glue it in each day.
had to glue it in. Yeah. You get home from work, the first thing you needed to do was take it out. All I can say is I'm glad I'm single. I always said when the time comes I'm going to have implants. I said I don't care how much it costs me, it's going to be implants. Well, they chose to do intravenous because I was a nervous patient.
Intravenous sedation?
Yeah, to have that because I was a nervous patient. You had to drink it a little bit first. That makes you a little bit woozy. Then they take you in. And I can't remember the needle or anything going into my arm. Even though apparently I was aware of everything that was going on, because apparently I was responsive. But I can't remember anything until I actually come to. Oh yeah, you've got to keep up with care to clean in between the implants to keep them clean and everything. But apart from that, it's just normal, clean your teeth as normal and just do the extra care around your implants and that's it. So yeah, get your life back.
How do they feel?
Fine, don't even know they're there. It's like having your normal teeth, which is good. And you haven't got to take them out. He's just very calming. He's got this aura about him. He's very calming, explains everything what's going on. If you're not sure about something, he will just double check. They're always at the end of the phone if you need anything. They will ring you up. Even if you're not having treatment, they will still ring you up. Like his nurses, like Kirsty and everybody, I can't fault them. And I would say it's 5-star plus for the care and the aftercare, and the aftercare after that you get, sort of thing. Yeah, just can't fault them.